back to my channel. So today I'm not doing a craft. I know, surprise, surprise, but this video is going to be geared towards other small business owners, because when I got started, there were very few people that were sharing their success stories, and the ones that were, their videos were very vague and they didn't really share where they got their supplies to make their products, where they got their shipping materials from, any tips and tricks on how to help other people become successful. And I don't know if it's because in an already oversaturated market, people are just so afraid to help and support other small business owners because they're worried that they're going to become as successful. But I definitely want to break away from that, and I think this is a great platform to help and support one another. So I just want to dive more into helping other small business owners. I'm still going to be doing craft videos for sure, but I also want to incorporate helping other small business owners grow. And I just figured if I can help at least one person, then it's worth it for me, because there were not a lot of people helping me when I first started, and the very few people that answered my questions I was so thankful for. But I pretty much learned everything as I went from my own failures. I've been doing this for over a year now. So today, not only am I going to show you how I package and ship all of my products that I sell, but I also want to show you guys where I get these items and how much it costs. I'm going to show you guys my top 3 selling items, how I package them, and as I'm showing you the packaging, I'm going to tell you where I got that packaging material and how much it cost me. So the first product that I'm going to show you guys how I package are my handmade stickers. I just made a video on how I make my stickers. If you're interested in learning how to make handmade stickers, then I will put the link somewhere on the screen. So the first thing I do to package my stickers is I make my own inserts for the packaging, and I start with this Kraft Cardstock. I got this from Michael's, and it was 100 sheets for $9, but I only buy it when they're having a 50% off sale. This brand is the Paper Studio, and they always have a sale in the Paper Studio. Sometimes it's 40% off, sometimes it's 50% off. Very rarely is it never on sale. So it only cost me $4.50 for a pack of 100. But as you can see, that my insert is very small compared to this. I get about 8 inserts from each page. So if you're making your inserts the same size as mine, you're getting 8 per page. So you're getting 800 inserts for only $4.50. So that's definitely a heck of a deal compared to ordering your own online. So as you can see here, I have my logo on this insert. So sometimes if I have time or if I ran out, I will make my own using printable vinyl and my Cricut to put my logo on my inserts. But I actually have a huge stack of custom stickers that I ordered from Avery.com. I paid $30 and I got 96 stickers. But the more you order, the cheaper they are. I order them in bulk now, so it's a lot cheaper because I put these on the bottoms of my tumblers. I put them on my boxes, I put them on my envelopes, I put them on everything. I use these all the time, so this is just something that was definitely worth the money for me. But if you don't want to drop that kind of cash ordering these from Avery, you can always make your own. Okay, so on the other side of my insert, you'll notice that I have a little message that says, "Thanks a million." I use this stamp that I got from Michael's, but I have a ton of other stamps that I've also gotten from Hobby Lobby. You can order some online. I got this for 50% off, so it was only a couple bucks and I can use it over and over. But like I said, I have a million different stamps and I only buy them when they are 50% off. So after I have cut out my inserts and I put my sticker on it and I've stamped the back with a cute little message, I'll put my sticker right underneath my logo. I'll put it in this self-seal little package. I have a ton of these little packages. an array of sizes. So I typically put my insert in first, like so, and then I will just drop my sticker in the package, and then I'll just seal it up, like so. So it's like this. I have my message on the back. This 3x5 package I get from upackandship.com. I got 100 of these 3x5 self-seal packages for only $2. $2. So that is the cheapest I have found online. They do have these available for Prime. So if you need them right now, you can get them on Amazon. You're definitely just gonna pay more. So upackandship.com, $2 for 100 of these. So it's cute, it's all sealed, it looks professional. And then I put it with my cute little thank you flyer that I make myself, of course. So you can order your own flyers online. I made mine using my Procreate app, just adding my own text in, adding a design that is cohesive with my logo design. I make my own flyers using some cardstock that I also get from Michael's or Hobby Lobby. It's the same price as the Kraft Cardstock. It was $8.99 for 100 sheets. So I got it 50% off, of course, so it was only $4.50. And I get about 4 of these per page. So really you're getting 400 for $4.50. So that's a great deal. So another thing that you can do, if you're ordering your flyers online, you can get something printed on the back side as well if you want to add something else. Or you can print on the back side at home if you want to do that. I leave mine blank on the back because I always write a handwritten note to each customer. So most of my handwritten notes will kind of say the same thing. I'll always put that customer's name just because they know that you took the time to write that note to them, and that's just something extra. That's just good customer service. So I'll put my little handwritten note and flyer in with their sticker inside these cute little Kraft envelopes. And you'll notice that the Kraft cardstock that I use for my little inserts match my Kraft envelope. So still being cohesive. So I'll put it in these Kraft envelopes. These are 5x7 envelopes. I ordered these off of Amazon.com, and I got 150 envelopes for $14. The other side of my envelope, I always write Happy Mail in really big, pretty font, just with a Sharpie. It's just a little something extra. That is how I package my stickers. Now on to the next product. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to show you guys are my card freshies. So you'll notice that I have this card freshie in this cute holographic packaging, which is this package right here. It is pretty. I got these from Amazon.com. These are 6x8. I haven't found them anywhere cheaper for this size, but these came in a pack of 100 for $22. So then after I've put my card freshie in the package, I will put it in one of these bubble poly mailers just to give it a little extra protection. It's really thick, it's durable. If the mail person bends it, your bubbles aren't just gonna pop. They only pop if you really squeeze them. So I like that it just protects your item a little bit better. I love these bubble mailers. These are 6.5 by 10 inches. And I got 50 of these for $11 from upackandship.com. So after I put my card freshie in my bubble mailer, I put one of my little flyers in there with it, with a handwritten note, of course. And then I will seal it. I always put washi tape on the seal. And then I will print out a shipping label, and I'll put the washi tape on the corners of the shipping label just to make it pop. For my shipping labels, I use this shipping label paper that I got off of Amazon, and I like this because it's really thick, durable sticker paper, and you can just put it in your printer and print your shipping labels yourself. You don't have to tape them on because they are sticky on one side. And it came with 100 pages for $13, but you'll notice that this is a full page. So I always print off 2 labels per page, and then I cut it in half with my little cutter machine. So I basically get 200 labels for only $13. So that's really good. So that's how I package my card freshies. Next thing I'm going to show you how to package are my cold cups. So to package my cold cups, I use these 10 by 4 by 4 shipping boxes, and you can get these in white or the Kraft brown. I always like the Kraft brown just because it matches all of my other stuff. And like I said before, I just like to be cohesive. And this box fits any cold cup, the Starbucks cold cups, the cold cups that you order online. It fits these cold cups perfectly with room for the lid and the straw. And usually I put in like crinkle paper or tissue paper in there, and it fits in there perfectly. So I get these boxes from Amazon.com, and I order them 50 at a time, and I believe it was 50 for $36. They fit perfectly, and they're easy to close just like that. And then I'll always put some shipping tape on the sides of this. Before I put my cup in there, I always wrap it in tissue paper, and I always put some tissue paper around the cup in the box so that it's cute. So being extra again, I typically match the tissue paper to their cup. I get my tissue paper from everywhere. So sometimes I get mine from Walmart, sometimes I get it from Michael's or Hobby Lobby if they're having a sale, or even if they're not having a sale, they always have a coupon. Hobby Lobby always has a 40% off coupon. Michael's kind of changes theirs. Sometimes they'll have a 20% off your entire purchase. Sometimes they'll have 30% off one item or 50% off one item. So I always just kind of go where the sale is. I got this pack of tissue paper from Five Below. I love Five Below. It is so cheap. I got this pack of tissue paper for $1, and it has 20 sheets in it. So I always wrap up my cup. I put tissue paper in the bottom of the box. Then I'll put my cup in, and then I'll put it in the box with one of my flyers, of course, with a little handwritten note. And then I'll close the box. I'll print off a shipping label with the same shipping label paper that I used for my bubble mailers, and I will tape it on there with washi tape. So typically if someone spends more than $25 in my shop, I won't just put the thank you flyer in there. I will also write a handwritten thank you card, and I'll put that in there. Inside the thank you card, I will put my business card that has my logo on one side, my websites and all my social media handles on the other. I'll stick it in there with the card, and I'll put a little freebie item in there, which could be like a sticker. Or if I don't put a sticker in there, then I might put a coupon for a percentage off their next purchase. But maybe it's someone that spent $40 in my shop. So then I'll put the freebie and the coupon in their thank you card. So that's just a little something extra that you can throw in your box that customers will really appreciate, and they're more likely to be a returning customer. So then I'll put the shipping label paper on, and I'll put a little washi tape on it. And then I typically write happy mail on my boxes, and then thank you on one side. I'll just decorate the whole box so that it's just super cute, and they're excited to open it, and they appreciate the time that you put into packaging and taking care of their purchase. So I definitely recommend just going above and beyond in your customer service, in packaging all of your products, no matter what the cost or how small it is. The customer appreciates it. It sets you apart from other sellers, and they're more likely to refer someone to you or buy from you again. So if you learned something from this video, please let me know by leaving me a comment below, and give my video a thumbs up so that I can make more of these tips and trick videos for you guys. Thanks for watching.